In an unexpected move shortly after taking the oath of office, US President Donald Trump has issued a stern warning of imposing a 100% tariff on imports from BRICS nations, Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa, and other emerging economies. Trump stated the need to protect American industries and address what he termed unfair trade practices by these nations. The stance of Trump is in tune with his Republican Party's election campaign threats that BRICS nations were attempting to weaken the dollar in international trade, and such tactics would be countered with a fitting response. In fact, in recent years, the dollar volume has come down in global trade, and this may have worried Donald Trump. Observers feel that, before implementing his threat of imposing 100% tariff on goods and services imported from BRICS nations, Trump may seek a commitment from these nations that they don't have plans to create an alternative international currency to dollar. The question is if the BRICS nations are ready to make such commitments to Trump. In case Trump goes ahead with his threat, it would have far-reaching implications for India. A 100% tariff on imports from India could severely affect India's export competitiveness in the US market, leading to job losses in sectors reliant on trade. Trump's tariff policy may escalate tensions between the two democracies, forcing India to explore alternative markets. It may force India to strengthen ties with other trading partners, potentially reshaping its trade policies. Finally, it would also adversely affect the economies of other BRICS nations: Russia, China, Brazil, South Africa, Egypt, Ethiopia, Iran, Indonesia, and the United Arab Emirates, UAE.